Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. First of all, open the Binance application in your mobile and you have to make sure that you are verified on Binance. Now tap on this assets tab in the bottom right corner here. Over here in the top, you are going to see this transfer tab. Just simply tap on this transfer here and now you will be given the option of spot to funding and funding to spot. You can even swap it by tapping on this swap icon right next to it. So you will have to make sure that you are transferring from spot wallet to funding. After that, you will have to select USDT. In order to select it, just tap on this right arrow button and select USDT. Mine is USDT selected. Then enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. If you want to transfer the whole amount, you have to tap on this max button. After that, you need to tap on confirm transfer. Once you have done that, you will be landed on the payment page where you just have to provide your bank account details. The banking account details also vary from a country to country because there are some countries where bank account option is not available. So what you can do in that situation is you can use P2P method, and that's pretty much it. That I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.